Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question 6 minus 4 in the parenthesis 6 minus 4. Okay. So before we solving this question correctly, let's see that what mistake most people make in this question. Okay. So most people solve this question like 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Then again 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Then 2 multiplied 2 is equal to 4. Okay. But here they are making a mistake because this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using the math rule, and the rule is a PEMDAS. Okay. So according to PEMDAS, P means first priority is parenthesis, A means second priority is exponent, M means multiplication, D means division. Both have equal priority. Okay. A means addition and S means subscription. Also both have equal priority. Therefore, we have to solve it's from left to right. Okay. Now let's solve according to the rule. So P means parenthesis. First we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay. So 6 minus 4. Now solve this parenthesis. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So here is a one subtraction and here is a multiplication. So first priority is multiplication. Okay. Therefore 6 minus 4 multiplied 2 is equal to 8. Now only one operation is left. 6 minus 8 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, the correct answer is minus 2. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. Do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.